Oh, with the Express now modernized by KONE. The Delta. Those didn't line up. Yeah, that reveals that Express tricks. I've been in these in like a long time, so it's nice to return to these KONE lifts. We're at 11. Wait out.
Lift stopping 11 floor.
Going down?
Yeah, thank you.
Lift stopping ground floor.
The origin thing's up and then we'll try to get the other part because it's really interesting. Oh well, then it's Slimline now too. And this is yeah, it's got to try a different thing. Why is this a that's a slight one because this one doesn't have the arrow. How weird. Also, don't realize that, but that's actually like the legitimate ELD like indicators, like the ones the large indicators that sadly no longer exist in New Zealand because they replaced the ones in the post building and they had the large ones. So yeah, there is actually if you look up here, you got the ELD indicators. How weird, the other lift doesn't have the down arrow and this doesn't have like an arrow and the other one also doesn't have a voice. These lifts are very different actually. Let's hope they don't get modernized again in 2024. Otherwise that's not good. That'd be another thing lost. Be 1976, 2004.
Lift stopping ground floor.
And yeah, this lift also has freedom, so that's